Today we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview Evolution Reference 26A215. First, we see the Accutron presentation box. Inside, we again find the booklet with the 5-year worldwide warranty. Now we take the watch out of the box. And here it is. The dial immediately stands out. You can see the deep blue background with a swirling forged carbon pattern. Another detail that catches the eye are the blue screws on the dial. You can also see the small discs on the dial. These are part of the turbine system that helps generate energy for the movement. The case is made of stainless steel. Inside the watch is the Accutron NS30 electrostatic movement. The case diameter is 43.5 millimeters. The thickness measures 15.9 millimeters. On top sits a sapphire crystal for durability and clarity. The watch comes on a navy blue suede strap. And finally, on the wrist. The watch has a bold and technical look.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.